say I'm pretty excited about this. Are you excited, Dominique? You're like sort of excited, right? That's probably not. This will be fun. Like sort of fun, right? Yeah, sort of. Dominique, how I wish you could talk. Okay. Oh look, everyone's here.
I'm here with the young girl that I supervise only when most convenient for me to argue for singing.
Well, I'm Beideman.
But wait! I'm here with my best friend who I hardly know and with whom I've spent most of our time together, suggesting we take time apart, and we know why dancing's good.
Well, no, that's already good.
But perhaps the most impressive part is this. Carl, now!
Reasonable, presently.
Wait! This'll never work. No matter what you do, you'll never stop me from dancing.
And sing with me for singing.
Unless smoke this. No! Smoke this and get addicted to it. I'll never stop smoking.
Oh, my legs! My dancing legs!
But no, I need this as much as you do.
Don't help me. Who would have ever thought this could happen?
I would have. Yeah. No, for being honest, this exact same thing happened a little bit ago. A long time ago, a singer, much like you, Lydia, came into this town. And she fought with a dancer, much like you, Kevin.
But who's the dancer?
The dancer was me.
Oh my God.
What?
It's nothing.
No, what? You seem like something funny about that?
You would what?
I was really good.
Yeah, I'm just... Actually, no, yeah.
Okay. I feel, okay. But yeah, so the same thing. Dominique crippled me.
But what do you do?
Well, after so long, who can remember who was wrong and who did what, who cut whose tongue off? We're good now, right? Sort of good.
Well, I learned my lesson. I'll never dance again. Just walk.
I'll never sing again.
Hooray!
Boy, this sure has been a sound of foot.
Hooray!
Oh, I just got what this was!
That's the two movies.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. No,
I know.
yeah, cool.